Welcome to our YouTube channel. You must have seen that today's topic is about the Arduino Robotic with Bluetooth servo car. You've also seen the previous video where I made a Cybertruck, but I bought most of those components. But today I decided to make all the components from the scratch. It has some functions like going forward, backward, and I'm controlling it with my phone using the Bluetooth. You could also see the servo where you could turn left and turn right, turn left, right, stay in the middle. To replicate this, you will need an Arduino, a motor driver, that's the L293D. You need two motors. You need a 7805 transistor to smooth it and to convert the voltage which you're using for your car to 5 volts. You need two capacitors to smoothen the voltage coming from the 7805. You need some wires, some screw terminals, you need the pin heads. You could use LED bulbs to dictate when voltage comes in, just to like show there's power, and it's optional. So the 7805 is optional because you could also use the enable from one of the pins on Edmodo on on Arduino. Thank you. Now this is the schematic. It's not quite clear, but I think you can understand how it is. I can also share a link where you will find schematics like this to help you. Going forward, you will see the driver, the L293D driver, and now you could connect it. You could see the 3 and 4 enabled. I connected 5 volts, so it just enabled all the time. So it is when it gets voltage, it moves, and it's optional. There are different versions to this, but I just didn't want to draw too much pins from my Arduino. I wanted a 5 volt regulator, sending 5 volts to the enabled pin to make the driver active at all time. You would also see the soldering. It's quite tedious. It's not something you could easily get around, but with a little bit of patience you will go over it. If you know anywhere I can print PCBs in Nigeria, please share with me. This is what it looks like out there, the beautiful part of it. But you could see the this motor driver, the pin headers, that regulator and all that. I decided to make a robotic car from the scratch, not buying any components apart from the Arduino. You could see the motor driver all soldered by me, and this is, for the moment, I programmed this car to go back and forth, so it could go 15 seconds forward, then 15 seconds backwards. It's going to use a Bluetooth, so I have to create a spot. I just wanted to slot it in and just reprogram it. That shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Yeah, this is the first trial before upgrading all the accessories. This is going to have a steering. This is my servo, who's going to help me to do the whole steering. And yeah, all this is from basic components around. You can see the motor around it, and yeah, pretty much it. Let me show you how it works. Spinning backwards now. You can see it's spinning backwards. You can see changing direction already. Change direction. And that's it. Imagine the power of LED combined with those passing. Remember to share your comments, perhaps suggestions, thoughts, questions. If you need the video, also let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for updates. Remember to remain inspired, and see you in our next video. Bye.